Product of three consecutive positive integers 15,600. What is the sum of squares of these three integers? Okay. Question is saying x, product x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Three consecutive positive integers. आसान करते हैं, इसको लेंगे x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 15600. Question is asking what is x square. Question is asking us the value of what is the sum of the squares. X minus 1 whole square plus x square plus x plus 1 whole square. This is what the question is asking us. कहने को तो equation है, you can solve this equation, but if you are going to solve these equations, you'll be wasting your time. Okay? Look at this number, 15,600. Couple of different ways of doing it. पहली चीज, can you remember any cube? After all, can I say x minus 1 into x plus 1 should almost be same as x cube. Almost, आगे पीछे होगा थोड़ा सा, but somewhere close to it. So can you think of any perfect cube which is around 15,600? 20 cube is equal to 8,000. 30 cube is equal to 27,000. इसमें 0 0 आ जाना तो 25 तो होना चाहिए ना? Otherwise you will not get 0 0. So what about 25 cube? So look at the middle one. 25 cube is 15625. What does that tell you? The number should be 24, 25, 26. Why am I saying 24, 25, 26? So you could even say it could even be 23, 24, 25, or it could be 25, 26, 27. मैंने ये वाले cases क्यों हटा दिए? Why have I removed these cases? Okay. Okay. Now please look at these numbers again. Okay. It has got two zeros. Okay. Can I say another way to look at this question could be, this is 156 is nothing but 12 into 13 into 100. Right? Factorize. Okay. And 100 I can write it as 4 into 25 because 25 तो पक्का तीनों में है. So 4 into 25. So there is nothing but 12 into 224 into 26 into 25. So इस 4 को मैंने 2 into 2 कर दिया, एक 2 को इधर दे दिया, एक 2 को इधर दे दिया. So if you are solving this equation, you will end up taking cat again. So please don't waste your time doing this. You need to look at the numbers and factorize or do an approximation. So straight away in cat when I did this question, I straight away went to this. It says 25 cube is 15,625. This is the most likely thing. And if you have any doubts, you can cube them using the calculator and solve it also. For example, out here we have what we have found is 24 into 25 into 26. Check कर लो ना अगर करना भी है तो, but to me that will still be a waste of time. Okay. Now, okay. So we know that numbers are 24, 25 and 26. What do we need to find? The sum of the squares. While again you may want to add up all of them. But again tell me, how much is 25 squares into 3? This is slightly less than 25 square, this is slightly more. So I'm saying approximately this should be 25 square into 3. 25 square, 625. Into 3, 1875. Your answer should be around 1800 something. Exact 1875 तो नहीं आएगा ना? This should be the answer. Why will it not be 1875? Because it is this, my answer should be slightly away from that. Again, what you can also look at is, what is the unit date of this number? 6. Unit date of this number? 5. Unit date of 26 square? 6. 6, 6, 12 and 5, 17. The unit date of my answer has to be 7. So this cannot be the right answer. Use any of these, but please approximate, please eliminate choices. Don't look at solving equation. How many different pairs AB of positive integers are there such that A is less than equal to B and 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon 9. Okay. Simple, straightforward way. If there were choices, we could have looked at doing something, but most of the time we will need to solve this kind of question. So we know that 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 9. So I can say AB, right? So I can say 9A plus 9B is equal to A into B, right? Let's combine AB. Okay. Yeah, 9A plus 9B equal to AB. Okay. So 9A minus AB is equal to minus 9B. or I can say AB minus 9A is equal to 9B. Okay. Okay, this is A into B, just in case I make a mistake. Yeah, this is A into B. I'll need to be a little careful. Okay. AB into 9A. Take A common between these two. A into B minus 9. Nine B upon B minus 9. Okay. A is equal to 9B upon B minus 9. So effectively ये हमने निकाल दिया है. Now what do we need to do is we need to find the how many cases of how many such pairs are there which will satisfy this thing. Okay. Problem है इसके अंदर. What's the problem? I am going to struggle with solving this part. Okay. So let's try to break it further. Okay. Now can I write down, I have a B minus 9 in the denominator. Agar numerator maybe I get B minus 9, my task will become easier. Okay. So let me put a B minus 9. So I can say A is equal to, if I put a B minus 9 in the numerator, what do I need? Okay. So that denominator may be B minus 9. Okay. So what do I have? I need 9B. So multiply with 9. So that now I'll get 9B minus 81. So plus 81. Okay. So I wanted a B minus 9 in the numerator so that in the numerator also B minus 9 and denominator I can possibly reduce the equation to something which is manageable. So if I do B minus 9, I need 9B. So I multiplied this equation with 9. So B minus 9 into 9. But that means I get a minus 81. So plus 81. Okay. So what does this become now? That means A is equal to B minus 9 into 9 upon B minus 9 plus 81 upon B minus 9. Perfect. These two get cancelled out. So what do we have now? So now we have A equal to 9 plus. Now what should you do? For this to be an integer, for this portion to be an integer, B minus 9 should be a factor of 81. So what are the possible factors of 81? B minus 9 क्या हो सकता है? Obviously 81. Then 9 9 is 81, so 9. Oh, so before that 27. B minus 9 can be, okay, let me put it this way, 1 into 81, 3 into 27 and 9 into 9. So B minus 9 can be 81, B minus 9 can be 27, B minus 9 can be 9 and B minus 9 can be 3 and B minus 9 can be 1. Okay. Remember, A has to be less than or equal to B. That is critical. A should be less than equal to B. So if B minus 9 is 81, B should be 81 plus 9, 90. Okay. B should be 81 plus 9, 90. So what does it become? 81 upon 81, 1. Okay. If B minus 9 is 27, then B will be 36. If B minus 9 is equal to 9, then B will be equal to 18. Now if B is 36, 81 upon 27, 3. So 9 plus 3, 12. If B is equal to 18, 18 minus 9 is 9, 9 plus 9, 18. Now please look at it. This reducing, this is increasing. Next value, what would happen? A will be greater than B. So we can look at only these three cases. So how many pairs of positive integers are there? 3. And these are the 3. Okay. Now this kind of question, again, when you have to write down, please don't rush. Write down the equation carefully, comfortably, and then solve it completely.